everyone, I am Giselle T. Haso from Beauty Garment 1B. This video tutorial is all about Kenken. Kenken is an arithmetic-based logic puzzle that was invented by the Japanese mathematics teacher Tetsuya Miyamoto in 2014. The noun Ken has knowledge and awareness as synonym. Hence, Kenken translates as knowledge squared or awareness squared. Mechanics. Fill the grid with digits so as not to repeat a digit in any row or column, and so the digit within each heavily outlined box or boxes called a cage will produce the target number shown in the cage by using the operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division shown by the symbol after the numeral. For single box cages, simplify, enter the number that is shown in the corner. So, for example, the notation 6 plus means that the numbers in the cage should add up to 6. And the notation 48x means that by multiplying the numbers in the cage, you will get 48. A 4 times 4 grid will use the digit 1 minus 4. A 5 times 5 grid will use 1 minus 5. A 6 times 6 grid will use 1 minus 6, and so on.